I think Dogwifhat coin has hit a really nice accumulation range today. I want to show you guys a very important chart as to why I think this has happened. We're looking at Dogwifhat here. One of the top sort of dog themed meme coins out here in the cryptocurrency space. So over the last 7 days, performance-wise, fantastic. Up from $1.63 up to around $2.30 on the local high here. You can see really, really good bullish signs here. A nice recoil from the bulls. Of course, on the month, we are still looking a little bit red. But, another 50% pump to the upside, and we are going to get there, ladies and gents. So $2.27 billion market capital at the moment. Can we get back to the maybe even the $4 billion level? You can see we did creep into that momentarily before, so that's the key level to be looking at. Now, I want to say the $3,000 giveaway is over. Thanks to everyone that did enter. Over 100 people have entered the giveaway, as you can see right here. Loads of engagements. Really good to see people in that. Winners announced later today. So if you want to see the winner and who these people are, I've already done the random number generation, and I can't wait to share these lucky guys who have won. So yeah, 3 lucky winners of $1,000 each. Now, meme coin outlook July 1st. Dogwifhat outperforms Doge, Shiba, and Pepe. So it's been a great week for Dogwifhat coin right here, and a lot of analysts are suggesting that we're going to see WIF get back to $3 soon, and possibly even $10 to $15 at the end of the year. So the largest meme coin built in the Solana ecosystem has been making headlines in the past several days due to its substantial price increase. It's up 12% and almost 50% weekly, despite the bearish movements we are seeing here in the crypto space. And they're not really doing much. They're just sort of, they're just really just posting just silly things. Literally like a dog with a hat. So yeah, the thing that interested me was when I looked at Bird Eye here, because you can see some of the price action from before the coin gets listed on exchanges, when it was back way below $1. And just looking at this, what I really noticed is when we see the first initial pump here from sort of February 2024, we do see a significant increase in the price. Not like major increase, but a good 10x plus, right? So we tip into $5.79, and when you take this impulse wave, the corrective phase actually points right down to 0.786 Fibonacci, the golden pocket of reaccumulation support zone. You can see that Dogwifhat actually come perfectly on that 0.786 Fibonacci level, and since then has been printing some green weekly candles and some very nice dailies as well. So it did bounce perfectly down to $1.50, and since then has been moving upwards quite nicely. So some big targets for the future from where we are right now for Dogwifhat: 1618 fib, 2.618 fib. While they do look like crazy numbers right now, even though they're not 10x's anymore, we could possibly see this range, this $10 price target hit, which will be about 3-4x from here. So you can see how you got to get in early on these meme coins to be making those big 10x plus positions. Do remember to subscribe to my channel as well. If you're new here, get yourself back down below to the Discord as well. And if you did enter that giveaway, the winners are announced in Discord and on Twitter. So yeah, really good stuff here from WIF. I think just looking at WIF as well, we can also see that the RSI, the relative strength index, recently tipped down to sub 30. It became oversold on the RSI, and with that in mind, it did deliver that short-term buyback opportunity at $1.50, which would have been a brilliant buy. You can see it is getting rejected on this horizontal resistance zone, which is looking around $2.27. Exactly where we are right now is a bit of resistance, and I guess we just need to see this coin get back up to this previous diagonal resistance area. So if we break $3.50, I think things will start to look extremely bullish for Dogwifhat token as well. Also, I want to divert your attention to a new coin in the space. I know meme coins are fun. Meme coins are risky, and sometimes they offer big gains. One I've been told about here is Angry Pork. Someone told me about it, so I thought I'd do a bit of research on it. So it's a Pepe themed token. You can see this is an ICO phase, and they've sold 19% of this stage 1 of that ICO, which is priced in at 0.014. It does say 10% bonus available on all purchases right now. So they're on a mission. They're making a really fun meme coin to conquer them all. It's community driven as well. It says real world utility and earning potential is also attached to this conquer to earn ecosystem. And it says Angry Pepe Fork is the meme coin for those who are tired of the status quo. So they really want to create something that's different here. It's Pepe themed, and usually Pepe sort of alternatives can do quite well here in the crypto space. You can see they've also got customer support on the right hand side, which could indeed be live. So yeah, really cool. cool token. I'm going to drop a link down below so you guys can research this low market cap gem. The token supply is 1.9 billion. You can see they've also got the token or contract address written here, so you can do your own research on that as well. They've also had a solid proof audit, which does show that they've got security in the forefront of their minds. And here we can see with their roadmap, they're in stage 1, moving into stage 2, which is where they launched staking DApp. They unleashed revolutionary conquer to earn mechanism. They finalized the plans for marketing. They finalized community and social media channels. And then, yeah, things should hopefully get good into stage 3, where they launch the pre-sale. And then they get that launch preparation, which means more decentralized exchanges, more potential centralized exchanges. So, of course, not financial advice. Always do your own research and understand that meme coins and ICOs are risky indeed, but sometimes they can produce some really nice results. So this could be one of them, guys. Link down below. Do a bit of research on Angry Pepe over here. He says here as well on a recent tweet, meme coins have been the most profitable sector in crypto for the first half of the year, and they just discovered, this is from Mr. Brown, another potential gem on Solana called Angry Pork Coin. And it says, with their unique conquer to earn model and staking opportunities during the pre-sale, it looks quite promising. So of course it's subjective. Of course, this is not a doxed KYC project as well. So you've always got to consider that and bear that in mind when buying coins like this. You wouldn't want to put 100% of your net worth or liquidity into something like this, but diversification in the crypto markets can be a good thing. And usually, if you do it that way, you can reap the rewards from doing so. So check that out down below, ladies and gents. Now moving on to also my Patreon group, we can see we have only got 10 crypto legend slots available. 10 available. That is literally it. So you're going to get access to crypto legend section. You're going to get over 500 trading signals per month. You're going to get leverage trade signals, spot trade signals, early access to stealth launches, ICOs, and pre-sales. Basically, you'll be the first to hear about all the VIP opportunities. You'll go from not knowing how to trade cryptocurrency to being a confident and proactive trader. Patreon link down below as well. So we are sitting neutral. This is where we want to be. We want to feel the market as boring. We don't want to feel the market as fearful. We don't want to be in disbelief and doubt, but we do want to be bored right now. Being bored, I think, will really help us coil up for a massive price explosion and next phase of this bull market. So we had greed last month, but I think summer is going to be a boring one. We've still got July, August to get through. There won't be much fun happening. We can see we did indeed print a red June. We had a red June. We get quite a lot of red Junes. We used to get a lot of green Junes when, you know, Bitcoin was in its earlier days of the 2017 cycle. But right now, it's still a question mark. Is July and August going to be red? It's going to be green and red. We don't know. Is it going to be double green? We still do not know, ladies and gents. So could be a very interesting one to consider. And I guess looking at the 200-week moving average heat map for Bitcoin as well, we're still kind of, you know, on the blue zone. The color here, the color chart, which reflects sort of emotions and the stage of the cycle, we're still in blue, which according to this kind of indicator would probably reflect that we're still in accumulation. We're still not in peak euphoria. We're not anywhere near where we should be. And I don't think the top is priced in yet for Bitcoin and many other sort of coins out there. So yeah, meme coins are looking pretty nice. The overall market cap of crypto right now, just to refresh ourselves, is $2.32 trillion. And this also means that we have not yet actually made ourselves a market capital, blockchain market cap by asset valuation all-time high. 2.82 trillion was that, and so far this year we've not seen 2.82, we've seen 2.77, but we've not yet created that historical milestone for the overall blockchain valuation. So that tells me again, we're not in extreme greed and we're not at the top, because if we don't get to the top, if we do not print $3-4-5 trillion market capital on the blockchain valuation, then it's going to be a failure. This whole cycle, this whole bull market cycle will reflect as a failure. So that's a wrap, ladies and gents. Thanks for watching. If you're new to the channel, subscribe if you want to hit your crypto goals, like this video, and I'll see you very soon.